+2 ബയോളജിയിലെ ബോട്ടണി പരീക്ഷ അടുക്കുകയാണല്ലോ. അതിലേക്കായി അവസാനവട്ട തയ്യാറെടുപ്പിലേക്ക് സഹായിക്കുന്ന ബയോടെക്നോളജിയുടെ 2 ലെസൺസിൻ്റെയും റിവിഷൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ. ബയോടെക്നോളജി പ്രിൻസിപ്പിൾസ് ആൻഡ് പ്രോസസ്സസ് എന്ന ലെസണിലെ റിവിഷൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വൺ ഓഫ് ദി ലിമിറ്റേഷൻസ് ഓഫ് ട്രഡീഷണൽ ഹൈബ്രിഡൈസേഷൻ ഈസ് ദാറ്റ് it leads to inclusion and multiplication of undesirable genes along with these desired genes. How does genetic engineering help to overcome these limitations? ഇതൊരു 2 മാർക്കിൻ്റെ ചോദ്യമാണ്. ആൻസർ: ക്രിയേഷൻ ഓഫ് റീകോമ്പിനൻ്റ് DNA, യൂസ് ഓഫ് ജീൻ ക്ലോണിംഗ് ആൻഡ് ജീൻ ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ടെക്നിക്സ്, ആൻഡ് ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് one or a set of desirable genes without introducing undesirable genes into the target organism. Question number 2. The cutting of DNA at specific locations became possible with the discovery of enzymes called molecular scissors. Identify this enzyme. Answer: restriction enzymes or restriction endonucleases. Question number 3. Which among the following is the first discovered restriction endonuclease? A. HIN-D1, B. HIN-D2, C. ECOR1, D. ECOR2. Answer: HIN-D2 is the first discovered restriction endonuclease. Question number 4. Observe the following illustration and find out the enzymes which are denoted as A and B. Restriction endonuclease ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ഫോറിൻ ജീനിനെയും ഹോസ്റ്റ് ജീനിനെയും കട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന രീതിയും അവയുടെ റീകോമ്പിനൻ്റ് DNA ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന വിധവും കാണിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന പടമാണ് കാണിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതിൽ A ഇൻഡിക്കേറ്റ്സ് ദി റെസ്ട്രിക്ഷൻ എൻഡോന്യൂക്ലിയസസ് ആൻഡ് B indicates the DNA ligases. Question number 5. Write the technique used for the separation of DNA fragments. Answer: gel electrophoresis. Question number 6. In gel electrophoresis, we cannot see pure DNA fragments in visible light and without staining. Explain how is it possible to visualize the DNA fragments. Answer: by staining the DNA with ethylene bromide and followed by the exposure to UV radiation, we can observe the DNA fragments. Question number 7. Figure given below is an important technique used in genetic engineering. A. Identify the technique. B. Find out the aim of this technique. Answer: A. The figure shows the gel electrophoresis. B. To separate the DNA fragments, this method is used. Question number 8. The final step of gel electrophoresis is the extraction of DNA molecules from the gel. What is this process called? Answer: elution. Question number 9. Match the following columns A and B suitably. Column A: gel electrophoresis, microinjection, polymerase chain reaction, bioreactor. Column B: continuous culture of microorganisms, amplification of genes, separation of DNA fragments, precipitation of DNA fragments, direct gene transfer method. Answer: column A is having the first one, gel electrophoresis. Its matching pair is C, separation of DNA fragments. Then second one, microinjection. E, direct gene transfer method. Polymerase chain reaction. B, amplification of genes. Bioreactor is the continuous culture of microorganisms. Next question. Given below is the diagram of a cloning vector. A. Identify the vector. B. What do AMPR and TETR stand for? A. The plasmid vector PBR322 is the vector which is given below. And B. AMPR indicates the ampicillin resistant gene. TETR indicates tetracycline resistant gene. 11. Which among the following is not a gene transfer method? A. Microinjection. B. Disarmed pathogen vectors. C. Gene gun. And D. Elution. Answer: Elution. 12. One of the given options is not related to PCR. Find it. A. Denaturation. B. Spooling. C. Extension. D. Annealing. Answer is B. Spooling. Question number 13. Cloning vector suitable for gene transfer in plants is A. Ti plasmid. B. Bacteriophages. C. Viruses. And D. Transposons. Answer is Ti plasmid. That is tumor inducing plasmid. Question number 14. Which among the following are the selectable markers of PBr322? A. AMBR KANR. B. TETR KANR. C. AMBR TETR. And D. CHLR TETR. Answer is C. AMBR TETR. Question number 15. Restriction endonucleases cut DNA at specific locations by breaking A. Sugar phosphate bonds. B. Sugar nitrogen base bonds. C. Hydrogen bonds. And D. Disulfide bonds. Answer is A. Sugar phosphate bonds. Question number 16. Downstream processing is the final step in the process of recombinant DNA technology. What do you understand by downstream processing? After the processes occurring in bioreactor, the separation and purification of gene product is done. This is called downstream processing. Question number 17. Each restriction endonuclease recognizes a specific palindromic nucleotide sequence in the DNA. A. What is a palindrome? B. Give one example. Answer: A. Palindrome is a sequence of base pairs that reads the same on two strands of DNA molecule. An example is GAA-TTC. Question number 18. Given below are some enzymes used for the release of DNA molecules from different types of cells. Lysozyme, chitinase, cellulase. Arrange them suitably in the columns provided below. Plant cells, bacterial cells, fungal cells. Answer: from plant cells, the DNA is released by the use of cellulase enzyme. From bacterial cells, lysozyme is used. From fungal cells, DNA is separated or released by using chitinase enzyme. Question number 19. Selectable markers help us identifying and eliminating non-transformed cells during gene cloning. Explain how the gene for alpha-galactosidase enzyme works as selectable marker. Answer: a recombinant DNA inserted within the coding sequence of the enzyme alpha-galactosidase. Non-transformed colonies give blue color. Transformed colonies do not give any color due to insertional inactivation. Question number 20. In order to force bacteria to take up the plasmid, the bacterial cells must first be made competent to take up DNA. Suggest a method to make bacterial cell competent to receive DNA. Answer: treat the cell with a divalent cation like calcium, which increases the efficiency with which DNA enters the bacterium through the pores in the cell wall. Incubation of cell with the DNA and placing them briefly at 42 degrees Celsius and then putting back to ice. This process is continued to make the bacterial cells making competent to take up the DNA. Question number 21. Multiple copies of gene of interest is synthesized in vitro using DNA polymerase enzyme. A. Which are the three steps of the above process? B. Find out the DNA polymerase enzyme used here. Answer: denaturation, annealing, and extension are the three steps in the process of synthesizing DNA in vitro by the process called PCR or polymerase chain reaction. In this process, a thermostable DNA polymerase or Taq polymerase is used. Taq indicates Thermus aquaticus polymerase enzyme obtained from Thermus aquaticus bacteria. Question number 22. Bioreactors help for the large-scale production of recombinant proteins. A. Which are the two commonly used bioreactors? B. What is the purpose of stirring mechanism in a bioreactor? Answer. Simple stirred tank bioreactor and sparged stirred tank bioreactor are used commonly. The stirrer facilitates mixing and oxygen availability in the bioreactor during the process. Question number 23. We can produce multiple copies of gene of interest through a process. Identify the process. How can we achieve gene amplification by this method? Answer to A question. Polymerase chain reaction or PCR. B. This process of amplification of genes is done by denaturation, annealing and extension of DNA. Question 24. Ti plasmid is a suitable cloning vector for plants. It is the plasmid of a bacterium called dash. The bacterium is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Question number 25. Restriction endonucleases are enzymes responsible for cutting of DNA molecule. EcoR1 is a common example. A. How the name EcoR1 is derived. B. Write the palindromic sequence of EcoR1. Answer to question A. The first letter E from the genus Escherichia and the second two letters CO is from the species name coli. Letter R is derived from the type of strain. Roman number indicates the order of discovery. Answer to part B. The palindromic sequence of EcoR1 is GAATTC in 5-3- direction on both the strands. Question number 26. Following are the various steps of recombinant DNA technology. Arrange them in correct sequential order. The sequences are obtaining the foreign gene product, amplification of gene of interest using PCR, cutting of DNA at specific locations, downstream processing, insertion of recombinant DNA into the host cell or organism, isolation of genetic material. Answer. 1. Isolation of genetic material, cutting of DNA at specific locations, amplification of gene of interest using PCR, insertion of recombinant DNA into the host cell or organism, obtaining the foreign gene product, and downstream processing. Question number 27. Given below is the diagram of a cloning vector. Observe the diagram and answer the following questions. Questions. Name the bacterium from which this vector is made. B. What are the significance of ORI and ROP denoted in the picture? Answer. A. E. coli is the bacterium from which this vector is made. B. ORI is the origin of replication or the point from which replication starts. ROP codes for proteins involved in replication of plasmid. അടുത്തത് chapter 5 biotechnology and its applications. First question. Bacillus thuringiensis produces insecticidal proteins. Why does this protein not kill the bacillus? Bt toxin exists as inactive protoxins in the bacterium so that it will not affect the bacteria itself. Question number 2. Bacillus thuringiensis produce insecticidal proteins called Bt toxins. Explain how Bt toxin works in insects and kill them. Answer. Inactive protoxin produced by Bacillus thuringiensis becomes active at the alkaline pH of the gut of insects. The activated toxin binds to the surface of midgut epithelial cells and it creates pores that cause cells swelling and lysis. Thereby, the insects are killed. Question number 3. Bt plants are genetically engineered insect resistant plants. A. What does Bt stands for? And B. Cite examples for any two cry proteins which produce Bt toxin. Answer. Bacillus thuringiensis is the name from which Bt is taken. B question. Cry1AC, Cry2AB, Cry1AB ഏതെങ്കിലും രണ്ട് ഉത്തരം എഴുതുക. Question number 4. Disorder due to ADA deficiency can be overcome by dash. A. RNA interference, B. PCR, C. ELISA and D. Gene therapy. Answer. Gene therapy. Question number 5. RNA interference takes place in all eukaryotic organisms as a method of cellular defense. What is RNA interference? The silencing of specific mRNA due to a complementary double-stranded RNA molecule that binds to and prevents translation of the mRNA is called RNA interference. Question number 6. Pest-resistant plants can be developed by genetic engineering. Explain how RNAi is successful in this area. Answer. Nematode-specific genes were introduced into the host plant. Both sense and antisense RNA are formed from this. Since these two RNAs are complementary to each other, form a double-stranded RNA. RNAi, RNA interference, is operated and the nematode cannot produce proteins. Question 7. Given below is the diagram showing formation of insulin from proinsulin. Explain how proinsulin develops to form insulin. The diagram shows proinsulin contains A, B and C chains. It is matured into insulin by the removal of C peptide chain. Thus, the insulin is becoming active. Question number 8. Very low concentration of DNA of pathogen can be amplified and hence diagnosis becomes easy. Which method is suitable for this method? Answer. PCR, polymerase chain reaction. Question number 9. Given below are two laboratory methods used for molecular diagnosis, PCR and ELISA. A. Expand PCR and ELISA. B. What is the principle of ELISA? Answer. PCR is polymerase chain reaction and ELISA is enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. B question. The principle behind ELISA is antigen-antibody interaction. Question number 10. Manipulation of living organisms by the human race cannot go on any further without regulations. Which committee in India make decisions regarding GM research? Answer. GEAC, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. Question number 11. Our country is very rich in biodiversity and traditional knowledge. So we have faced many problems related to biopiracy. A. What is biopiracy? B. Give two examples of biopirated plants. C. How can we control biopiracy? Answer. The use of bioresources without proper authorization from the country or people concerned without compensatory payment is called biopiracy. Examples: basmati rice, neem, turmeric, etc. By developing laws and regulations and also patents bill, we can control biopiracy. Question 12. The first clinical gene therapy was given in 1990 to a 4-year-old girl with ADA deficiency. A. Write the steps involved in this method of treatment. B. What is the major disadvantage of this process? Answer to A question. Lymphocytes from the blood of the patient are collected and grown in a culture outside the body. Then functional ADA cDNA is introduced into these lymphocytes. These lymphocytes are returned to the patient. Answer to B part. Since the lymphocytes are not immortal, patient requires periodic infusion of genetically engineered lymphocytes. This is the major disadvantage of this process. Question number 13. Given below are some biological products which are produced by transgenic organisms: alpha-1 antitrypsin, alpha-lactalbumin, human insulin. A. Fill in the column given below suitably using the above terms. Column 1 A dash, column 2 Eli Lilly USA, B dash human milk protein, C dash emphysema. Question B. Dash is the transgenic cow which produces human milk protein. Answer A. A is human insulin, B alpha-lactalbumin, C alpha-1 antitrypsin. To B. Rosie is the transgenic cow which produces human milk protein. Question number 14. Which among the following plants is related with the issues of biopiracy? A. BT cotton, B. basmati rice, C. Atlas 66 and D. BT brinjal. Answer: basmati rice. Question number 15. Crystals of BT toxin produced by Bacillus thuringiensis do not kill the bacteria themselves because A. Bacteria is resistant to toxin, B. Toxins only kill animals, C. Toxin is inactive, and D. Toxin is protein. Answer: toxin is inactive in bacteria. Question number 16. What is the major disadvantage of insulin taken from slaughtered cattle and pigs? Insulin from slaughtered cattle and pigs develop allergy and other types of reactions in patients. Number 17. Animals that had their DNA manipulated are known as transgenic animals. Suggest any 4 uses of transgenic animals. Answer: normal physiology and development can be studied, study of diseases, study of biological products, study of vaccine safety, and study of chemical safety can be done by using transgenic animals. Question number 18. Genetically modified plants have been useful in many ways. Suggest some advantages of genetically modified plants in agriculture. Answer: made crops more tolerant to abiotic stress, reduced the use of chemical pesticides, reduced post-harvest loss, increased mineral usage efficiency, and enhanced nutritional value. Question number 19. Identify any 2 genes Bacillus thuringiensis which can produce BT toxin. Genes are CRY1AC, CRY2AB, CRY1AB, any 2. Question number 20. RNAi was first introduced in tobacco plants to restrict the infection of a nematode worm dash. The nematode worm is Meloid gyn incognitia. ബയോടെക്നോളജി ലെസൺസിലെ ചില റിവിഷൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് കണ്ടത്. നന്നായി പഠിക്കുക, നന്നായി വരട്ടെ. താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച്. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് Raju's Science World for more videos.